Craft your imagination.
Today, we're making a paper rainbow cloud, a fun and colorful craft making a great way to practice cutting, gluing, and color recognition. You'll need white paper, multicolor paper strips, 2 pink paper circles, a black pen, and a glue stick. Draw a face on your cloud friend. Then, grab the multicolored paper strips and glue them to the back of the cloud. Take the 2 pink circles and glue them to the cloud's face. Your cute cloud friend is done. Happy playing!